The sedan segment has been busy with the recent launch of the Skoda Slavia, but Volkswagen now has followed suit with this, the new for India Virtus. And I say new for India because the Virtus has been around in global markets for a long time now. But with this facelift, it debuts in India and then follow other international markets. So what is this Virtus all about? Let's take a look. On the design front, the Virtus looks absolutely smashing, especially the GT variant in cherry red. Exclusive to the GT variant are the black alloy wheels with red calipers, blacked out outside rear view mirrors and roof, and a subtle spoiler amongst other things. But the GT variant aside, even the dynamic line variant looks great, courtesy the smart looking LED headlights and the signature single slatted grille. What adds some muscle in the front is that massive air dam with piano black inserts. Volkswagen has clearly gone the sporty way with the Virtus, and one can see that with the blacked out treatment on the headlights and taillights even in the dynamic variant. The Virtus now looks like a scaled down Passat, and the performance line with an array of candy shades available will definitely turn heads. Dimensions are identical to the Skoda Slavia, but the Virtus is about 20 mm longer owing to the bumper design changes. Volkswagen have managed to match the insides to the stylish outsides. The first thing that hits you is the dashboard. It gives you a feeling that it's just one big horizontal slab with aluminium outlines or color-coded ones in the GT variant. No soft touch materials is a tad bit disappointing, but then overall quality feels good. On the features front, the Virtus gets a vivid 8-inch digital cockpit, 10-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 8 speakers, sunroof, wireless charging, smart touch climatronic AC, ventilated front seats and more. On the safety front, the Virtus comes with up to 6 airbags, electronic differential lock, ESC, hill hold control, tire pressure deflation warning, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors and more. No surprises here. Powering the Virtus are the very familiar TSI family of engines. So you get a 1-litre 3-cylinder TSI engine making 114 bhp and 178 Nm of torque. And you get a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter. The performance range gets the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder TSI Evo engine with active cylinder technology, pushing out 148 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. Pre-bookings for the Volkswagen Virtus, they've already begun from today, and we expect the car to be launched in around May this year. Talking about prices, we expect the Virtus to be priced about 30,000 more than the Skoda Slavia, which would mean the entry-level Virtus would cost about 11 lakhs ex-showroom. But that still undercuts the city by about 30,000. So is the Virtus the quintessential sedan to buy? Well, we'll answer that question with an in-depth review coming up real soon on the CarWale YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe, like this video and share it as well.